Hello student, welcome to your software engineering class. In the previous class, I have discussed about coding standard and coding guidelines. And in this class, I will discuss about code review techniques. So, after completion of coding the coded the programs are reviewed by the programmer to identify the errors. So before the testing phase and after the coding phase, in between, the programmer analyze the program to identify the error. And after completion of this video class, you will able to know about the code review technique, that is code walkthrough and code inspection. So let's start. So contents of this video are introduction to coding phase, then code review, and in code review I will discuss about code walkthrough and code inspection. So first is introduction to coding phase. Coding is undertaken once design phase is complete. Means after completion of design phase, then the coding phase is started. And during coding phase, every module identified in the design document is coded. Means every module that are designed, that are identified in the design document are coded in coding phase. And after the module has been coded, then the programs are reviewed before the testing phase. Means after they have been coded, all the programs are reviewed by the programmer before the testing phase. Okay. After a module has been coded, code inspection and code walkthrough are carried out. Means after the programmer written the program, then they review. They review through code inspection and code walkthrough. Ensure that coding standards are followed. They check the coding standards are followed or not. Means every organization have their own coding standards and own coding guidelines, and after completion of the coding phase, the programmers check that they follow the coding standard or not and detect as many error as possible before testing. Okay, then they check the error before the testing phase. So first let us discuss about code walkthrough. Code walkthrough is an informal code analysis technique undertaken after the coding of a module is complete. Means after the module is coded, then the code walkthrough is taken place, and it is an informal analysis technique. A few member of the development team select some test case. Means the few team member select some test cases and they execute the code by simulating the code by hand using these test cases. They use the test cases and evaluate the code, how the code is reacting, how the code is producing the output or not. They check the code. Means code walkthrough check the logic of a program. Okay. Even though an informal technique, several guidelines have evolved over the years. These guidelines are based on personal experience, common sense, and several subjective factors. Means it is an informal technique, but there are many guidelines, and these guidelines are based on their experience, common sense, and several subjective factors. Okay. And the guidelines should be considered as example. The team perform code walkthrough should not be either too big or too small. Ideally it should consist of between 3 or 7 member. Okay, means the code walkthrough team should not be too big or too small. It consists of between 3 or 7 members. Discussion should focus on discovery of error. And in code walkthrough meeting, all the team members should discuss about the discovery of error and not how to fix the discovered error. And avoid the feeling among engineers that they are being evaluated in the code walkthrough meeting. Means the engineers should avoid the feeling of evaluated in their code walkthrough meeting, and manager are not allowed in this meeting. So this is the code walkthrough meeting. The team member discover the errors and they focus on the error discovery, not how to rectify the error. Okay. Then next is code inspection. In contrast to code walkthrough, code inspection aim mainly at discovery of commonly made error. Means in code walkthrough, they check the logical error by evaluating the program by hand, but during code inspection, the code is examined for the presence of a particular kind of error. Okay, a certain kind of error are examined in the code. So this is the difference between code inspection and code walkthrough. Code walkthrough means it evaluated by hand to check the logic of the program, and in code inspection they check a specific type of error or not specific type of error in the code. For instance, consider classical error writing a procedure that modify a formal parameter. While calling routine, call the procedure with constant actual parameter. Means while calling a procedure, if the programmer write the actual parameter, these are some commonly committed error. Okay. It is more likely that such an error will be discovered by looking for this kind of mistake in the code. Means they have some list of the error and check the error are in the code or not. So rather than by simply hand simulating execution of the procedure, they check the error from the code. Good software development company collect statistic of error committed by their engineers. Means the good development organization always collect the error of their engineers and identify the type of error most frequently they committed and listed them. Then the list of common error can be used during the inspection to look out of the possible error. Okay, means the organization first take the error that are committed by the engineer and identify the types of error most frequently committed by the engineers and make a list, and the list is used in the code inspection. Some commonly made error like used of uninitialized variable, maybe the variable is not initialized, and non-terminating loops means the condition is non-terminating, array indices out of bound, the array access of array is out of the array indices, and incompatible assignment, improper storage allocation and deallocation, actual and formal parameter mismatch in procedure call, jumps into loop. So these are some improper or a commonly committed error by the programmer. These are some commonly committed error made by the engineers. Use of incorrect logical operator means if the programmer write incorrect operator, logical operator means they confuse in the logical and or not operator, and the precedence of the operator, incorrect precedence operator, improper modification of loop variable, comparison of equality of floating point value means these are the commonly committed mistakes maybe in the program. And also during the code inspection, adherence to the coding standard is checked means they also check the coding standard in the code inspection. So this is all about the code review technique. Means in code review technique, first the code walkthrough is done. Code walkthrough means by some team member, they evaluate the program using some test case. They evaluate, the simulate the program by hand and check the output and find the logical error. And in code inspection, they have a list of error and check the error in the code. So this is all about your code review technique. Thank you.